Tired of that annoying buffering circle ruining your favorite shows on YouTube TV? Let's dive into some quick and easy fixes to get you back to seamless streaming. First, the most common culprit, your internet connection. Run a speed test on your phone or computer using a website like Speedtestnet. Make sure you are getting the speeds you are paying for and that they meet YouTube TV's recommended speed of at least 3 Mbps for a single stream. And faster if you have multiple devices connected. Try restarting your modem and router. Unplug them for 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in first. Let it fully power on, and then plug the router back in. Next, clear the cache and data in the YouTube TV app. The steps vary depending on your device, but generally you can find this option in your device's settings under Applications or Storage. Lowering your video quality can also make a huge difference in the YouTube TV app. Go to Settings, then Quality, and select a lower resolution like 720p or even 480p. This will use less bandwidth and can significantly reduce buffering. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix most common YouTube TV buffering issues and get back to enjoying your favorite shows without interruption. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.